Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, we're gonna make some cinnamon rolls. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and this is 1 cup of warm milk. I have some active dry yeast. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna give this a little mix and I'm gonna set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. All right, and I have about half teaspoon salt. You can add a teaspoon if you want. I have this pineapple slices. You can use regular pineapple, and you want to take out a few pieces with a little bit of the juice and you want to blend it into a puree. You're going to try to get about a cup of this delicious goodness. All right, the pineapple gonna add moistness and flavor. To this, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons vanilla or 2 cork, same thing. To my dry ingredients, guys, I'm gonna add, you can measure it, add about half teaspoon nutmeg. Gonna give it the nice flavor. Half teaspoon cinnamon. Not too much at first, all right? And you want to give this a little mix. This is my almond extract. I'm going to add about half teaspoon. Not much, just a little bit. My yeast is rise and become puffy somewhat. Now it's ready, it's active, all right? I'm going to pour in my egg, 1 egg. 1/4 cup butter, or you can add 4 tablespoons melted butter. I'm gonna add my cup of pineapple with my goodness in it. And now I'm gonna pour in my active yeast and then I'm gonna mix everything. And you wanna give this a good mix. The softer, the better. If it gets too soft, just add a little bit more flour after. Don't worry, don't watch it. It's all good. And now guys, when you get it like that, and you're gonna dust it lightly with some flour, and you wanna scoop it out. Grab a little bit more flour and dust it. You wanna knead this for about good 5 minutes of good kneading, all right? And how you wanna knead it, just take it up and fold it over. You don't wanna add too much flour because every time you fold it, it's gonna get firm. Take it up and you're just gonna tuck it in. All right guys, when you mix it for about 5 to 7 minutes, you can even go up to 10. Now I have a little bit of oil and I'm just gonna rub the sides and the bottom. And then look how nice it is, guys. Now I'm gonna set this in. And now I'm gonna cover this for about hour to hour and a half or till it doubles or more in size. And now guys, we're gonna make the sweet part. We're gonna add 2/3 of sugar, brown sugar. Two teaspoons cinnamon, you can add a tablespoon. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon vanilla. This is my mace. I'm gonna add about half teaspoon. About this amount there. And that's it guys. You wanna give this a good little mix. And that's it. Now I'm gonna set this aside. It looks amazing, and it's doubled somewhat in size, about an hour now, and that's good. Ooh, look at this goodness. So let's flour this part first. All right, and we're gonna roll. Ooh, look at that goodness, guys. All right, sprinkle a little bit of flour, and all you want to do, guys, I need it already, so you just want to, I'm pushing it this way. I'm gonna roll it this way and that way first so I can get the length, and it also helps to take out the air bubbles. Go in with my room temperature butter, and I'm gonna dust it lightly. You can put a lot if you want, guys, but I don't like too much butter, so I'm not gonna put too much. Brush the edges too. Now I'm gonna go in with my hand, just get down in it, guys, and sprinkle it. This is the best way. And you want to pinch the edge here, and you just want to go ahead and roll. Now I have my pan and I grease it really good with some butter. So that's it. And then I'm gonna judge it again. Cut it here. Dental floss, or you can use your knife. I'm gonna go under, and I'm gonna just pull it across. All right, guys. Wait. And there you have it. Voila. And I'm just gonna set it in the tray. I have a few leftovers and I put them like this. And now, guys, I'm gonna cover it until they double in size again for about another 30 minutes, 35 minutes. A little bit of topping for the top, okay? Half teaspoon vanilla, just a little bit, not too much, about that. And I have about 1 teaspoon melted butter. You can add a tablespoon, but guys, I don't want too much butter. I'm gonna add some icing sugar, maybe about, we're gonna try about 1/4 cup first, and if we want more, maybe 1/2 cup. And we're gonna add a little bit of milk at a time. If you want it tangy, I'm just gonna add a little squeeze of lemon juice in it. All right, guys, when you think that you mix it enough, I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna set it in the fridge. I'm gonna bake them at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right. Look at that goodness, guys. While these goodness are hot, I'm just gonna put a little bit of drizzle over it and let it cool. They are really hot, but my son is holding the phone and we're gonna start here. Ooh. Look at this, guys. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Amir, can you see the juiciness? Look at that, guys. Let me break it and show you. Look at that. Can you see the goodness, guys? Ooh. Look how soft it is. Ooh. Look at this. Amir, you don't see it? It looks good, eh?
Yeah.
Ooh, it tastes good too, and it's not that sweet. Can you see that, guys? Oh, there, that's how I love it. I love the middle part there. And this is it, guys. There it is. I'm gonna taste this part. Taste it, family. Just take this and taste it. It's not too sweet, eh? Have lots of flavor. This is the final result. Oh, I'm so in love with these. My son already devoured 2, right, Amir? All right, guys, this is it. My homemade cinnamon rolls, delicious and nice. Look at that goodness, guys. Have a good day, guys. Bye.